Alright, continuing on with task 15. My timer went off for the 5 minutes, indicating that it is done centrifuging. So we're going to go ahead and open up the centrifuge. And we're going to carefully take out our samples. Or samples, should I say. Alright. And as you can see, spun down appropriately. So we have our fecal matter, the heavier density at the bottom. Heavier density sinks to the bottom. And then we have our mixture of our flotation solution with our feces sample. And again, we're a ½ inch away from the rim of the tube. So we're going to go ahead and add a little bit more so that you get a little bubble at the top, which is called a meniscus. And then we're going to put a cover slip on. So we're going to put our tube in our tube holder right here to keep it steady so we don't spill it or invert it at all. I'm going to take more of my flotation solution. And again, I'm just going to fill it to the rim of the tube to have a little bit of a bubble called the meniscus. Okay. And then we're just going to take a single cover slip. You want to try to grab it on the edges so that you don't contaminate it at all. Just right on the edge. Okay. And then we're just going to place that right on top of the meniscus. Alright, so now the cover slip is on top of the meniscus, and we're going to go ahead and let that sit for 15 minutes. So I have my timer right here. We're going to set it for 15 minutes. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and hit start. Keep this right here. And again, I'll be back in 15 minutes. At that time, we'll take our cover slip, we're going to place it onto a slide, and then we're going to take a peek underneath the microscope and see if we find anything.